Put it to the wheel. Oh! Bro, this thing rips. Yo, he can wheelie that? Yeah. What is up, my shredheads? Welcome back to the channel. We are in, I think we're in Wyoming, Delaware, but we're gonna be doing a group ride around Dover, Delaware. Right now, we're already hanging out with Bomber Marv, Cole, and Matt the mechanic. Cole's new name is Crash Cole because he did recently crash. He messed his ankle up and his tailbone. We're pretty much gonna be all on Surrons, upgraded Surrons, so it should be a pretty freaking fun day. So definitely stay tuned if you guys are interested in supporting the channel. I'll put all the links down below for all my Surron upgrades. He's got an extender on top of the powerful lithium battery. So how many amp hours is that total now? 50 amp hours, 72 volt. You got the social motor. Oh, hell yeah. Gene just got here with this bomber bike. Look at that thing. You got 72 volt in there?
Yeah, 72.
50 amp hour or 40?
26.
26? Oh, how many social motors do we have here? Bomber Marv's got the social motor. Crash Cole's got the social motor. BAC 4000. Marv's got the BAC 8000 with the social. And Matt, still on the EBMX stock battery. All right, we starting this ride. Oh, 12:32, look at that. We're on time like normal people. Let's see if any hot topics pop up with like people riding against traffic, because you're supposed to ride with traffic. Let's see what happens when you have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electric bicycles coming at you. I guess we're going down a country road. West Virginia, take me home to a place, country road. 35 plus mile ride today. Oh, that wind sucks. And I don't know if that was just nails I ran over or what. Oh, that's sketchy. Trails? Oh, it's gonna be dusty out here. I had a bug in my glasses. I thought it was a tick again. Bridge, yo, don't fall off the bridge. I'm gonna shoot. I'm gonna shoot. Look at all that smoke. You got the touch. You got the power. Oh, Bomber Marv wheeling. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Yo, why is that so much fun? It's like the littlest baby drop ever. Hell yeah. What a blast. Trying to get over that freaking cloud. Whoa. Bro, where are we? Beautiful. What is this? It looks like it's ice, but it's not. What? My mouth. We need rain. It's been actually really dry here in Delaware. It hasn't rained in a long time, so there's like a fire warning going on right now. Dude, my eyes are fucked up. Oh, no glasses? Oh, Jesus. That's bad. Oh my God, it's a circle. Two more added to the crew. We're on the Surron Mega Ride. Good to see you, homie. Getting the boys unloaded. Let's go. I feel like it's been 2 years since I've seen this thing. I don't remember that. I don't remember the print fender.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah. Yeah, this up here. I don't even know what that is. Hell yeah. And we're ready to go. We've acquired 2 more riders. We're by Dover Air Force Base, guys. Beautiful scenery. He's loving it. That's beautiful. I'm like thinking like one of those boards are gonna pop up, smack us in the head. Whoa, watch your head! Got the crew, dude. This is cool. Where's your speaker?
Where's the speaker at? It's inside here.
Bro!
Sounds good.
That's badass. Hey guys, what e-bikes are you guys excited to see on the channel? I just got the new NIU or NUI XQi3. I should be doing a review on that pretty soon. And then after that, we got something else coming, but I'm gonna keep that a secret. Make sure if you guys are enjoying this group ride up until now, definitely don't forget to drop a like. I did not know Dover had the cool, no. It's stuck. I like this. It's just keeping us off the radar, these trails. Yeah, that was awesome.
Yo, respect, dog.
Whoa! Imagine if I would have hit that squirrel. Give it that metal! Oh! Oh! You all right?
Yeah, he's not getting well.
That bike is so silent. Man, that looks crazy. They don't have HOA here. These kids are loving it. Yeah. Later, guys. That was cool. Aw, they're sad that we're leaving. Yeah! Hyped about wheelies. Dude, we have gone to so many different places already in the shortest amount of time. Whoa, big accident.
Dude, that's hell. Why are there so many ambulances? How many people got hurt?
Probably fatal.
But why so many ambulances?
It's when you like. You have multiple heavy injuries. When you say critical or whatever, it's whoever gets there first.
Oh, look at all those solar panels. That's awesome. Oh my goodness. Like, where's the big lithium battery? If you guys know how solar farming works, like, is that where it gets stored and how does it get stored? I think that's a C-130. My dad used to jump out of those every month. He was airborne and he did other things that I have no idea. C-130 rolling down the street, airborne, ready, gonna take a little trip. I know that because of my dad. Oh, it's a flipped over car. Oh no. I hope everybody's all right. Oh yeah, I'll do barbecue, yeah. Oh, Mission Barbecue, let's go. Support America, MAGA ride. If you guys are enjoying this ride up until now, definitely don't forget to drop that like. We're gonna get some food here at Mission Barbecue and then we're gonna continue our ride. Brisket, honey heat, is that this one?
Yeah.
Yup.
That one's busting.
Oh, oh, oh.
Hey, yo, I got a memo you. Honey heat is busting.
Hell yeah. Hey! Brisket destroyed. Food destroyed. We're always working on Surrons no matter where we go. Always checking nuts, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mission Barbecue. Remember to support the troops. Yo, Dover loves wheelies, dude. Hey, oh, he's got a helmet on. Are we just going through the light? Oh, okay. The dirt track? Hell yeah. Oh, that looks fun. Yes, let's bomb up on hill. Oh, let's go. That was fun. This is like the thick of Dover, huh? Capitol Police deal type shit. We are in Dover. Gotta get that pedal on, thick pedal on, gotta get that pedal on. I'm kind of scared to do shit around here. It's a little shook around here. We can just do it. We just throw knees up, all right. It's mad historic up in this bitch. Old Christ Church. Is there like a young Christ Church around this motherfucker? Yep. Hell yeah, I was starting to get a migraine. I think the food helped out. Oh my God. And now we're gonna go to Cole's house. We gotta recharge some of us. We're gonna get back out. 82.2 volts. We're all charged up. We're ready for round 2 of our ride. And part 2. Oh, cool. That was fun. Dude, there's nobody around here. What is going on? Oh, I can feel that belt jumping. I need to tighten up my belt. It is so loose. Let's go! Cars behind us too. They're all honking at us.
We outside, dude.
We are outside.
We outside with it, man.
Hopefully at some point we can tighten up my chain. I can feel it slapping. Let's go. Mega loose, like the mega ride. Mega loose. Oh, I'm liking that. There's wheelies everywhere I look. Ooh.
I pass by and you don't even hear me.
Oh, hell yeah. Ooh, I like this little stance. Oh, I'm so silent. Bro, this thing rips. Oh, shit. Yeah, I still definitely love hub motors. Damn. And these are definitely way more efficient. Damn, Rook. He actually built this bike himself. Oh, yeah, it is hard to wheelie. He wheelies it so easy. Wow. Damn, it's so smooth, bro. Hell yeah, thanks for letting me ride that again. The second version of it since the last time we saw it. So 72 volt, 40 amp hour battery in that boat. What are you pushing, 5,000 watts? Oh yeah, you upgraded to the far driver. So how much power are you pushing out of it right now?
Probably like 13.
Dig it. That seat is so comfy too, man. That feels so good.
Hey, can I try it out real quick?
Yeah, go ahead.
Marv looks big on that thing. Pretty smooth, right?
Oh, she rides good. Very smooth.
Very chill tune, yeah. Guys, let me know what you think about that setup. Sur Rons soccer. Rocket League. Surron League, baby. Oh. Sending it. Yeah, that was fun as fuck. I didn't even say the word though. Oh, we're hitting some BMX jumps. Damn. What a fun day today. Oh my God. That's why I didn't do that, bro. Right to the bash guard. Whoa. Bro, don't send it. Don't want to smash that bash. That part. That part. All I smell is burning rubber, bro. Oh, you did it the right way at an angle.
Yeah.
Yeah, they got the chill pad. Ah! 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 Bro! We literally came to these jumps so they could jump the jumps without the bikes. But hey, that was a lot of fun. All right, there we go. Oh! All right, well, this is a first. These are like live train tracks now, huh? Yeah, let's go. Brotherly wheelies. Hey, what's up? All right, there's a lot of cool bikes on this ride. Which one of these e-bikes here is your favorite? Bro, we're ripping through every single part of Dover right now. Let's go. Yeah. Those perfect straightaway for wheelies. Oh, thank you, Pulsar battery, for just feeling so great. This feels like a freaking movie. Yes, that looks so dope. Yes, damn Dover, Delaware. If you guys ever been to Dover, Delaware and seen any of these riding trails, comment down below if you are from Delaware and have ever ridden here. Or if you do want to go on ride with us, just definitely comment and I'll reach out to you. The leaves, that looks so awesome. This is definitely the one cool thing about fall is the leaves. It looks so cool. That's cool. Cool bikes.
Yeah, he hit the post.
With your foot?
We came in sideways. That's sick.
Oh. I'm gonna sell that foot video on the internet now. It's got blood, it's worth more. Got the shred lights on. Night ride turns on now. We gotta get somebody back to the car. We're gonna tighten up my chain and we're gonna get back to some night riding. Oh, what? What is this? I wonder how long we can stay here before they call the cops on us. This is crazy. Oh my God, he did sitting down. You did that sitting down?
Yeah.
We acquired another one to the group. That's a dead battery. Bomber Marv to the rescue. Tow truck service. Damn. That's how we do it. Yo, he can wheelie that. Yo. Let's go. He's wheeling the little guy. Yo. Oh, let's go. He's wheeling it. Yeah. Oh, he's dropping liquor bottle. Ready to tighten this chain up. Disco party up in this bitch. Disco party. Oh, that's sick. Gotta get that fixed. Oh, that is dope. This is gonna be cool at night. Dude, this video is still going. If you're having fun up until now, don't forget to drop that like. And down in the comments, what do you guys like most about this channel? Do you guys like more of the group rides or reviews? I definitely have more fun filming the group rides. Look at this. Look at all that dirt. Yeah, let's go. Hell yeah. Damn, they're so low, they get all the dust. Dude, this is sick at night. You guys didn't expect this, right?
We have zero suspension.
Night jump. Yeah. You're next. Yeah. That was awesome. Bro, I'm gonna hit a tree. Can you guys see? We lost the boys. We gotta give them some light.
Oh, the one has light.
Yeah, he made it the flashlight.
I get it. I can't see anything.
Yeah, it was so hard to see. Oh my God! What the hell? Matt hit a tree. Those little things are fast as hell. I did not think those things could hang with us. That's gonna be the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed that content, check out all those links down below for any of my Surron upgrades. If Surron isn't for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like. I love you, brother.
Take it easy.
Good ride, homie, good ride.
Ready?
That was a hell of a blast of a freaking awesome day. Dude, I'm gonna be up in Philly. I'm coming to Philly, bro. Cole, thank you so much for putting this awesome ride together, dude. That was a blast, homie. What was your name again?
Caden.
Good meeting you. That was awesome riding. We're gonna load up his bike in the back. We're throwing mine on the rear rack. Good ride, good ride. Hell yeah. As always, if you guys enjoyed that content, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, and ringing that notification. Yeah, to be notified when I'm making videos. And are you guys ready for the moment of silence for that subscribe button? In 3, 2, 1, hit subscribe, heads down. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next ride.